Hello folks, I'm here again with another review. And what I have on the menu today, big and golden chicken sandwich.
Round one.
All right, y'all, let's dive in.
Fight!
Okay folks, so now I'm gonna give my rating of the golden chicken sandwich, and on the 1 to 5 scale, I give it a 3.8. Man, the thing is this. The bread was very good. It reminded me of Hawaiian bread. It was sweet. But the patty, I had an issue because it was hard for me to chew. I really had to grind my teeth. Ugh. Look. So this one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it another shot. I feel like this may have been sitting out too long. Whatever the case, I'm gonna try it again. And if it's the same result, then I don't suggest this sandwich. Hello folks, I'm here again with another review. Well, I'm doing a redo. Before I had the chicken sandwich at Golden Chick, and it wasn't right. So I'm trying it again. I'm here. After further review of the Golden Chick chicken sandwich, I must say this chicken sandwich with a chicken patty was much more tender. The first one, it was hard for me to chew. I really have to, but this one is much more tender. Bread, same Hawaiian bread taste that they had the first time. So it was pretty good. Now I want to compare this to the Popeye sandwich, chicken sandwich. I say this, I like this bread better than Golden Chick, but the Popeye's chicken breast is bigger and it tastes better. But not saying this one is bad, but it's just a different taste. And I rate it 4.2. Would I suggest you try it? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It's pretty good. So, that concludes my review. I'll see y'all next time.